In the world today, we know that we're experiencing a lot of traumatic events. There's a lot of things that are affecting a lot of people on a very large scale. It's not just an individual anymore. We're impacting entire generations, entire groups of people. We're impacting society as a whole. People are experiencing the same traumas together. Those things can be hard to talk to one another about. They can be hard to talk to our children about. They can be hard to explain. The way I oftentimes will help people to come to talking to their children about those things is giving them real information. There's so much misleading information out there that kids they have access to. They have it at their fingertips. And so we want to be the source of the factual information for our children and make sure that we're giving them that information. When talking to family members about it, I always encourage people to talk from a humanistic side, talk about the feelings, talk about the emotions. Oftentimes in traumatic events, we jump into politics and policy and things of that nature when that's really pushing aside the feelings we're having about the event. That's using that to cover how we're truly feeling and how it is impacting us. So be sure to process through those feelings and those thoughts. It's not bad to take action and talk about policy and procedure and politics and all those things. I'm not saying that. We want to be talking about that. We want to make changes, but to also make sure that we for ourselves are working through the emotions that it's caused, that we're letting ourselves feel them and we're sitting with them and we're processing through them. Then we can make the next steps and we can start to make good, solid change.